Hey everybody, Nate here with 911 Rapid Response, back again with another vehicle showcase. And on today's showcase, we have for you a 2021 Ford Police Interceptor SUV. This vehicle is outfitted for the Lackawanna County Sheriff. Great customer of ours, great client. We've produced many vehicles for them, and this is just one that we're going to showcase for you. As for the aftermarket equipment, we'll start off at the front of the vehicle. Weston Public Safety push bumper, integrating the Whelen Ion Duos in the top rail, and the Whelen surface mounts on the side of the push bumper. Whelen InterEdge FST, it's a duo model, high in the windshield. Under the mirror we have the Whelen Lens V2. Great product for side warning. It gives us a 180-degree spread, so we get a little bit of front and rear out of that as well as the side. And we also have a Whelen T-Ion inside the rear cargo window. At the rear of the vehicle, got the taillight flashers active. We also have a Phoenix 600 stick in the back here. That's a duo, so we're going to have red amber and blue amber there. Amber for traffic. Surface mounted Whelen T-Ion on either side of the license plate. And from the back here going around to the side, we can take a look at the graphics package. Pretty slick all-inclusive package. We got the chevrons at the back, unit identifiers, and then the Lackawanna County Sheriff insignia with the American flag there. Prisoner containment. This is the ProGuard system, ProCell. So we actually have a split partition here. Replacement plastic seat with outboard seat belts. Recessed panel partition in the front. That's where we're going to have our gun locks mounted. This vehicle is Havas equipped as always. Vehicle specific console. Relocating our OEM ports there, 12 volt and USB. Customer supplied radios. Whelen HHS 4206 control system. And for the aftermarket additions, that's going to wrap that up. And today's actually an inventory day for us. I don't know if you got the news on our Facebook feed, or if you sent us an email, you might have gotten an automatic reply. We're doing a lot of in-house work right now, changing over to a new system. We're running a lot of inventory for internal processes, but a little bit of a dress down day, and I am rocking the Lackawanna County Sheriff K9 shirt that we got a while back when we did 2 of their units. Much thanks to them for that, and we appreciate your business as always. We appreciate you as always for following along. Make sure you stay tuned for the next showcase. Have a great day. I don't know what you're trying to say.